In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Suggest Text Corrections option. Unfortunately, Samsung devices don't have autocorrection in Samsung default keyboard. So today I will show you next best thing. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on General Management, where keyboard settings are located on all Samsung devices. Hit Samsung keyboard settings and tap on Auto Spell Check over here. Now it's time to click on this switcher next to your language to enable it. This feature will underline misspelled words in red and suggest corrections. So not quite like autocorrection, but at least you will see suggestions of corrections. If you don't like it, you can always switch it off by tapping on blue switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!